Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your LG earbuds to your Android phone. So to do this, you have to open this charging case and use this button. It's located on the left side, and simply you have to click and hold this button until the indicator starts blinking quickly, just like that. Right now we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our phone, click to pair new device, take a look for available devices list. As you can see, that's the notification that appears, but there is no information for available devices list. So let's go back and let's click to pair new device one more time. Okay, right now they appears, and we have to select them once by tapping on the name. And I just want to show you how to select them from the list, because this notification is not on every Android phone. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.